Marlo Antonio pa rin. The name of my grandfather was, in father's side was Mr. Wenceslao pa rin. In my mother's side, Marciano Bucalina. My mother's name was Sepa Macalinaw pa rin. Sepa Nicomio Macalinaw. My father's my father was from Bacolod. His name is Renato Bello pa rin. My mom is from Leyte, Carigara, Leyte. 15 minutes after 15 to 30 minutes after Tacloban, when you're riding a bus. My mom and dad met in Manila and decided to have a family by that year in El Maya Augusto Manila, and decide here. I'm Marlo Antonio Sabi. We live in General Maria Alvarez, more than my age. Then my parents moved here. The year was 1974, 75, 74, 72, 74, 1974. So Jimmy Cavite, so was back in parang Barangay Sanggape, Carmona, Cavite. My eldest brother was only 1 year old, 4 months old. So it's about it's about 38 years of living here in General Maria Augusto. Then in 1970, my brother, our brother was born, and my sister 1975. Then I was born in 1977. 2 years ago.
Magkano pinakit ko?
Wala. Happy New Year. Happy New Year sa kanila doon, ha? Now, my eldest brother has his own family, sister. The name of my brother's sons-in-law was Daniel Paringo, Danang Paringo, dun sa the two girls two daughters of my brother was his daughter, Dilara, Rowena Dilara, and James Saiba, his mate or his school was from Malawi. My sister has three daughters too. Sa inayan pa rin, same pa rin. I did have a white back with a beetle. Because that I did and stay, but I miss the beetle is it's a good place. I see beavers very close to nature, and especially with that bus is a tourist spot. But I was born in Jimmy. I was my reference, and my uh, our religion is different, and I love her too much that I feel so jealous, very jealous that lead to separation. So we separate, and I finished my college in Edison, France. Finished Bachelor of Science, Science. My big brother finished his studies in PATS, College of Aeronautics, with nautical maintenance. He's now abroad in Afghanistan. I'm I'm an amateur composer now. Ulysses Ranger. It's an amateur, but given a chance, I believe I dream about international music career. I have a lot of shows written in English, not highly competitive in world market music, but competitive enough just to average some. Not too beautiful, but enough to hear emotions tonight. Not too great though, but it's still literature. It's still literature. People love stories, books, literature. Women here in my Philippines love to read pocket books. They love stories, they love films, movies, etc. My songs are more sweet out shows. You know, like a nano type of teleserye. It's very short, more like short stories, songs. And it's a lot of episodes are visual happening, but there are some non-visual, but original in composition. Uh, I love composing songs for make me proud. Each song for me is a success or is a achievement for each songs. Imagine I have more or 200 plus songs. I love them. Sometimes I like to keep it within me. Want to release it sometimes. It's my songs, it's my song, it's my songs. Yeah, in my college years, I almost not focused on my major. It seems that my songwriting is my course. Seems it's my major. I major out of my songs. Some of my songs have similarity, but not total. And I'm not focused from other songs. But it really does. When I did make it to the music industry, patience. Just patience. And I'm capable of writing songs to rendition, promoting peace and love around the world. Okay, I will cut this video. I'm Antonio Pareño. Uh, Happy New Year to all. Regards sa all pa rin yung nakalimutan. Wishing all the best.